Welcome to the foam rolling, how do I use this thing tutorial. Today we're going to be working on our thoracic region, which is our mid-back. If you're somebody who suffers from low back tension or neck and shoulder tension, ooh baby, are you gonna be excited about this one. So go grab yourself a foam roller and come on back and meet me and let's get going. All right, great, here we go. We're gonna be doing our mid-back region. I also have tutorials on the calves and feet and then another tutorial on the hip complex. So go grab those, watch those. But today, we're gonna simply be doing areas that are gonna help to relieve neck, shoulder, low back tension. So we're gonna start by foam rolling our lat. So you're gonna lay on the side, the foam roller, kind of move up and down until you're like, okay, I kind of feel some tension right there. Listen, if you happen to work on a computer a lot, or you sit at a desk all day, this might be pretty sensitive for you. So you might want to stay right where we're at right now. This is level 1. We're about to take it to level 2. Remember, you want to breathe and try to melt the muscle when you feel tension. That tension is what we call hot spots, and we're simply scanning for hot spots. So if you're feeling it a lot, you might just want to sit here, breathe, relax. If you want to take it up to the next level, join me. We're going to simply inhale, rock our body towards the floor. As we exhale, we're opening up towards the ceiling. Inhale, coming forward. Exhale, rocking back. Good, inhale, forward. Exhale, rocking back. When you rock back, if you really feel it, you might just want to hold here. Good job. Let's go ahead and switch to the other side. Now, when I'm doing these videos, for time's sake, I'm kind of like rushing through. But your job is to take note of the places where you really feel it. After the video, go back and spend some time in those areas. All right, so here we go. Got the foam roller. I'm just gonna kind of move till I see if I can find an area with some tension. What happens if you don't feel anything? You just move on, okay? Unless you're having fun, then do it. Okay, level 1, we're just here, relaxing on the roller. Level 2, we inhale forward, and we exhale back. When you find one of these hot spots, you want to hold. Stop moving, breathe slowly and deeply. Try to imagine melting a muscle. And you want to do that for about at least 30 seconds, possibly up to 2 minutes, however much time you have, okay? Great job. All right, next we're gonna do our pec muscle, okay? This right in here gets very, very tight from the driving, from the sitting, from the computer work. So this, let me show you. If the floor is in front of me, I'm gonna have the roller like this, okay? Right there, at an angle. And I'm gonna lay on it. So it's on that angle, kind of like the front of your shoulder. Let me scoot back so you can see me and get to stay in the camera shot. Here we go, and then I'm simply gonna roll up a bit into my pec muscle and back. This is a very short little movement. And again, if you really feel this, stay here, just kind of relax, breathe and melt, right? We're gonna breathe and melt. If you'd like to add a little more, you can move your arm a bit. So make sure your neck stays straight. You're just gonna move your arm. Flip your palm up, come back. What I'm doing right here is pretty advanced as far as pain threshold. So if you feel it a lot just doing this, just stay here. Let's do the other side. The whole point with foam rolling is you gotta be able to relax. Okay, if you're tensing up and holding your breath because you're in so much pain, it's not gonna do you any good. All right, so we want to put it at kind of an angle there, and then it's at the front of the shoulder, and then you just move up like an inch or 2 and back. Ooh, yeah. And then again, you can add in, so I'm gonna bring my arm out to the side, palm is down. Then when I get about halfway, I'm gonna flip, bring my palm up, and come back. Great job. Okay. Now the last two that we're gonna do, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love. I'm gonna leave you feeling so amazing that you'll be like, ah, that Alicia, she's one great gal, right? Let me leave you on a positive note today. So we're going to place this in our thoracic region, which means you want the top of the roller touching your shoulder blades, okay? So mid-back. What I see a lot of people do is come up here. No. You want your shoulder blades to be touching the top of the roller, okay? Support your head with your hands. Then we're going to rock back as far as you can without pain. And then we're going to come forward like we're doing a crunch. So keep moving through those two directions, rocking back and rocking up. What are we doing here? We're trying to restore the mobility that we tend to lose in this area of our back. When we lose that mobility, it can lead to frozen shoulder, shoulder pain, neck tension. So this is an important one. All right, next thing we're gonna do, and I promise you're gonna love it, if you have long hair, you might wanna get it out of the way. Hold your neck straight, lift up your butt, and foam roll to your upper back. So all the way to your shoulders, right back down to that mid-back region. So we're gonna stay right in that area. I know, doesn't that feel good? Keep your neck nice and straight though, don't let your head drop back. Yes, my friend, breathe. All right, last thing we're gonna do, I want you to use the foam roller as if it's a pillow. Just lay it right underneath your head, okay? Then you're just gonna gently turn your head to one side and then the other side. Just keep very gently and slowly moving from side to side. Great job. There you have it. So remember, take note. You can go back and look at the other tutorials I have. Take note of where you tend to hold tension. So when you're in a rush, you don't have time to do every single part of your body. You might be like, oh, I know I hold tension in this spot and this spot, so I'm just gonna foam roll those two areas. Or if you're doing a lower body workout, just foam roll your lower body. If you're doing an upper body workout, you get the idea. All right, hey, thank you for rolling with me today, and I will see you next time, okay?